Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Summer is here, and what better way to ring in the season than this fun Seashell Mini Album. I created this project using a digital file from the Silhouette Design Store, and I imported that into my Cricut Maker. I had so much fun making this. Before I review this project with you, let me show you the paper stack that I used. I used this paper collection by DCWV. It's called Ocean Breeze. Now this came out a few years ago and I've been hoarding it in my stash waiting for the perfect project, and I am so glad I finally have a chance to use it. I love the blues, the pinks, the silvers. It's just a really fun nautical inspired paper collection. This is my mini album. I used medium weight chipboard, which I cut out on my Cricut Maker. This measures 6 inches across and just shy of 5 inches from the bottom of the seashell to the top. As you can see, I made it extra chunky so that it could sit up just like so on a desk or a coffee table or a mantle, and it's a perfect little mini album to store your summer photos. On the top, I have these metal rings, and I adorned it with these really fun, bright colored ribbons in pink, white, and blue, all of the colors that complement the paper collection. On the front of the album, we've got this adorable little seashell design. I did create this adorable little shaker. If you saw my previous video, I did a tutorial on how to make this shaker card. It's really fun and super easy to make. I embellished the seashell with this really pretty white iridescent lace trim, and then I lined that with pearls. We've got this blue pearl with rhinestone, another large pearl here. This is the first page of the mini album, and because I don't have a lot of space, I've simply added in these little mini flowers. I've cut out these little fun starfish on the side, and we've got pearls here on the bottom and then more flowers on the side. This will hold 2x3 photos, so we've got this pretty little decorative anchor here on the front, and then space for 2 more photos here on the inside. On the next page, I create a little pocket. Look at how fun this paper is. You've got the whales, the little sailboats, the seaweed and anchor, starfish. I just think it's so bright and cheerful. Inside, I have a little cut apart. This says, "Sail away with me." And then we have this gray paper with the seaweed, which is in a silver foil. Back here, if you'd like, you could include another photo, but I've just used it as a little tuck spot. We've got more pearls here and then a little flower spray on the side. To make the little hole reinforcers, I use this tool. It's by We Are Memory Keeper. It's a hole reinforcer punch. So I have this little tag here, but you certainly can fit in at least 1 or 2 more tags with photos if you like. On the next page, I've kept this fairly simple. We've got a cutout here that says ahoy with more pearls and flowers, and then I have a simple cut apart. I did leave the backs blank, but you could use this whole area here for a photo as well as a photo on the front and back here. I love this page. It's so cute. I love this whale here. This is one of the cut aparts, and the little saying here says, "Mightier than the waves of the sea is my love for you." I put a bead of pearls here on the side in front of the whale's mouth to look like bubbles. More flowers and hidden pearls here. And then we have a little booklet. You can stamp a sentiment here or put a photo, and then more room for photos on the front, on the top, bottom, and then the back. On the next page, we have more cut aparts, and it says, "You anchor me," and then we have another little booklet here. This is my favorite page. I think you recognize this from the shaker card in the front. I cut this out and paper pieced this with 3 different pieces of paper. And if you open this up, it's almost like a little porthole, and you can put a photo right here in the center. And we have this fun seaweed paper on the bottom, and I've just lined this with pink and white pearls in various sizes. They're all iridescent, and I really wanted it to look like the jewels of the sea and bubbles of water. And we have more flowers on this side here. On the next page, we have this fun layout. These sentiments here were cut out from a larger banner, and I simply cut them down and back them on the navy blue cardstock. And it says, "We cannot direct the winds, but we can adjust the sails." I have this little sailboat fussy cut here on the side, and I line that with pearls and some flowers. And then we have another cut apart. I think this paper is so much fun. This page is really cute. I really wanted to use this sentiment here, and it was quite large. So what I did was I made this a little belly band, and it says, "I really love you." Oh. And we have another little booklet here, and this says, "Hey Sailor." And this just slides right underneath here. On the next page, we have another little whale, and I cut this out and backed it on white paper so that it would pop against this gray and silver paper. We've got more pearls, a little floral spray, a little pink pearl here. And this little booklet says, "Do small things with great passion." And this is another booklet. This just tucks back in here. And on the last page, I fussy cut this from the paper, and it says, "You anchor me." I included 3 little anchors here on the bottom, and then we have another booklet. This completes my review of my Seashell Mini Album. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that little bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now, and happy crafting!